Okay. This time naman, nandito kami sa Banawag View Deck kasama ang owner ng resort na ito. Okay, Sister Nori with Doc Anchi. So this is the view farm view. Ayan ang view deck. Pwede tayong magpa-picture dyan. Yan, with pool and hall there. Okay, under construction pa ang ibang hall. Okay. Oh, Sister Luz, kaway-kaway ka dyan. Aray. Okay, it's a sudden visit at daan. Napadaan po. Okay, pasyal po kayo dito sa Banawag View Deck and Resort, owned and managed by Mr. and Mrs. Gabwat. Okay, good day, happy day, God bless.